Welcome back to your pause, your pocket of calm. This is your micro moment of peace. Settle into your seat. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Whether you're driving, sitting on a train, or walking home, let's make this moment one of quiet reset. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in, filling up slowly, and release the breath with ease. Notice how your shoulders soften, even just slightly. Notice the space between your eyebrows. Let it smooth out. If thoughts about work are still buzzing around, you don't have to fight them. Just imagine setting them down, like heavy bags you don't need to carry anymore today. Picture yourself placing those thoughts on the passenger seat beside you or on the sidewalk behind you. You can come back to them later. But for now, this is your pocket of peace. Breathe in slowly and breathe out, releasing the day. As you move through the rest of your commute, bring gentle awareness to the present moment. Feel the steering wheel under your hands, or the rhythm of your footsteps, or the gentle sway of the bus or train. Whatever is here, just notice it. Your breath, your body, your surroundings. No fixing, no changing, just being. You've done enough for today. The workday is behind you. You're allowed to cross that invisible threshold now, from work mode to rest mode. Breathe in calmly and exhale softly. You can leave the stress of today behind you and step forward with a steadier mind and a softer heart. Let's take one final breath together, inhaling deeply and slowly exhaling, releasing any last tension. You are allowed to arrive home lighter than when you left work. Thank you for letting yourself slow down. You deserve rest, and this safe space is always waiting for you. Subscribe to keep these moments within reach. You're doing great.